Greetings, welcome to Yellow's XF. Sorry about that. I thought I could talk with a sore throat lozenge, like sitting right in the middle of my mouth instead of on the side. Anyways, greetings, and we're back with Satisfactory. There's a few upgrades I want to do to the iron mine. I think I want to get rid of everything and then turbo all the individual iron mines and then do stuff with that. Yeah. Anyways, let's go to our ad spot and then we'll jump right in, shall we? Reprint, it's your place for custom stickers and custom 3D printed parts. If you like what I do, you'll definitely like he does. He does custom stickers for my mocks and a lot of other creators' mocks. So make sure to check them out, www.brickrippins.com. Take a look around, support us for me, and yeah. Enjoy that, and let's go on over to Satisfactory. Shall we? There we go. So yeah, sorry about that. I'm sucking out sore throat lozenge, so if you hear like weird sounds, it's probably just me doing things. Because yeah, I've been having a sore throat. Kind of just increase in intensity over the past few days now. Yeah, it's kind of been a bit. Hasn't grown super fast, but like only like actually never mind. It's like the past day or two, it's kind of gotten a little bit more worse. Speaking of like yesterday though, like I only did just some like laundry and clean my fish tank, and usually I'm pretty fine. Like I can easily do those tasks, but like yesterday I was just I think my body's just fighting a little bit of something. I don't think it's not enough quite to put me out of my put me out from doing anything, but it's just enough that where it makes tasks a little bit more wearing outish. However you want to pronounce that. It wears me out faster. Oop. Poisoning myself. So yeah, it's just like those few tasks, and like I felt like I did like 4 times more than just those 2 tasks. Only from what are you? Oh, you respawn back in. Alright, so I want to, take down a lot of what's going on here and kind of reset up these iron systems. Yeah, this isn't really... You're not getting power? You're getting power. Oh, it's just full. I'll shut down all of this. It must be full up here. Let's see. I think it's you. Yeah, you're absolutely both packed to the brim. Okay, let's set up an awesome sink over here, and I'm just gonna dump. Awesome sink inside. Nope. Organization here. Storage. Logistics. Yeah, we can just do that. Here for it. Okay, now I just need power. From you to there. Thank you. We have a lot of iron ore that can go in there. I'm sure we're gonna get a lot of other things as we disassemble our octo smelters. Favor of moving them around and doing some upgrade things. Actually, do I want to do this? This one's pretty fine. I think we can fit in a second one kind of next to it here. How much space does this need actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 4. Here we go, 4. There we go. Cheats all time. Here we go. just like stopped the whole chainsawing thing. Oh, whoa, that was a lot of stuff. Exit wall, concrete wall, steel wall. Damn. Wait, did you see him doing something? Yeah, he obviously can't see. I'm doing something very important. Okay. Well, if we have this now we can get the blueprint octo smelter. We can get another one over here. Oh, really? You followed me over here? Hold on. None? Ah, okay. Alright, we'll have to do this old-fashioned way. There we go. Takes care of that little problem. Actually, you're a big guy. You're a big problem. Okay, I need to build a platform out the back here. Vertical. There we go. Let's see what I'm doing. Octo smelter needs to be right about there. Okay. And you, I want to just turbo you, because you're outputting 120, I think 300. Means I might need to also increase the train station size a little low. To have these outputs. Oh, I need a bunch of that. Okay, well, guess we're doing Mark III for now. Wait a minute. Wait a second. I need splitters. That's what I'm trying to think of. Okay, right about there. Mark 4. There we go. Alright, well, this works out. Okay, so organization. Oh, nope, not organization. This should probably be under organization, honestly. Because it's a sorting. Tier 4. Tier 3. There we go. Really start pumping that out. Organization. Nope, it's still under logistics. Why am I so confused today? Output, right? Yes, it's an output. I can actually get this to work if I just pull it back enough. Definitely come back here with some higher tier conveyor belts. There we go. Actually, something I probably should be worrying about more is just actually getting some of the materials producing are going to be a gigafactory. So why don't I just do that, huh? Let's go to where our little, or one of our main materials factories is going to be. We're just going to run down this way real fast. Actually, you know what? I'm going to hold on my coffee. And let's get rid of you. Because you are annoying me. There we go. Problem solved. I do believe something is up there, though. Oh, train is over there. Cool. Okay, so what is actually? I need to make all the iron products. Do we have a MAM somewhere? Actually, I can place down a MAM. Researching hard drives still. One thing though is oh right, we have one right here. Cool. Rubber concrete. The heck is rubberized concrete? Steel. Constructor cast screws. Interesting. Alright, well, hard drive. Oh, that's our last hard drive for now. Looks like I can throw things correctly. I'm gonna guess blowing up those rocks is gonna reveal some unimaginable horror. Probably mostly just a lot of spiders. Probably gonna be a lot of spiders in here. Ah, Mercer Sphere. Yep, that is an unimaginable horror. Okay, now we have that out of the way. Yeah, I'm trying not to make noises as I move the sore throat lozenge around my mouth. Like I kind of have it stuffed up in my cheek right now, and I don't want a little medicine to be kind of just stuffed up there. Okay, looks like I gotta move this all up a little higher. Okay, so 2 foundations it is. It's quite a bit of elevation gain. I wonder, can I blow up those big stone cacti looking things? That is a terrible throw. Just back up a little bit. Okay, yes I can. Sweet. Get rid of you. And get rid of you. Perfect. We have a big clean slate to use to our advantage. How are we doing on power? Yeah, we're not using too much, honestly. These are 2 output lines. Okay. Mark 3, up higher. Okay, so I think you want to probably just do 50-50. feel like... Oh, I should also do something on this side, too. We have a Mark III. Let's just pull this across here. Since we're going to need all this cater room and everything else somewhere else. Actually, no. Okay, how are we going to do this, actually? Programmable splitter. Puts one conveyor belt into 2 or 3. A filter can be set for each output, allows a specific part to pass through. AI limiters. Ah, ooh, poo. Where do I have those? I don't think they're in this vehicle. No, they're probably in that vehicle over there. Do I have a bunch of inventory slots? Yeah, I do. Train is down below right now. Just run over and grab some of my electronics junk. Okay, iron ore. That can be put in there. That can be put in there. That. Get rid of a bunch of the stuff that I don't really need. Hanging on to currently. Okay, let's go fetch our AI limiters and stuff. I think they're in this guy. He has all my electronic stuff stuffed in him. That's not what I wanted. Okay, here we go. We already got motors. We can put that over there. Computers. Oh, probably want a little more plastics. Here, you can have that. Cable. I'm doing fine a cable, but maybe I'll take a little more. Okay. Yeah, we should be good for a little bit. Actually, no, wait. A little more turbo fuel. Doesn't seem like this is actually running that hard right now. Oh, that guy. Oh, nope, there he is. Spoke too soon. He's still on his island. Hey, bud. How you doing? Oh, there's a big bug thing right down there. You're regarding something at some point. Don't know what anymore. Alright, so let's produce all the electronics parts. Don't run over me, please. I also need to do the thing with the 1 second or whatever. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's mess with the smart splitter. What is this one? Multiple. Oh, I need a reinforced. What? Oh, okay. Okay, left output, right output. Copper needed. Okay. Your merger. Left output, we want the cater room, and this one we want the copper. We want Mark 3 into here. Okay. Okay, so that should be completely dividing our cater room output from our copper output. Okay, and how many copper things, like pure copper things, do we have to make? Yeah, we got copper sheet, cable, wire, and that's basically it. So we don't have any weird alternate recipes. What about assemblers? What do you have, my good sirs? Oh, ultimate fused wires used for crafting. What is this output? 90 per minute, okay. And what is this output? 30. Oh, that puts. Wait, what? 15 per minute. 12 and 3, really? Okay. I don't know if this is better or not. Maybe encased frame. I wonder what the best recipe for these things is. Make quick wire stator. This also seems pretty decent for a computer. Cater room computer. What does it take to make a rotor right now? Well, the cater room computer might be actually better, honestly. This one right here. Alright, well, guess without further ado, actually, what is it? I think it's 2 wire constructors for 1 cable output. Is that how it is? Cable, yeah, 60, it's 30, yeah, okay. Probably gonna need a decent amount of cable, so let's put 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Logistics, we need a conveyor splitter. There. Right there. And we just need a conveyor merger on the other side. Facing that way. Facing that way. There we go. Sweet. Power. Let's use power poles Mark IIs. One right there. One right there. these two. Wire. Wire. Cable. Cable. Wire. And wire. Logistics. We need a conveyor splitter. I think I literally just saw only a few pieces of copper go through. That's fine. Caterham is just quick wire, isn't it? Nothing else we just need to do with it. Besides produce quick wire. Yeah, okay, what about in the assembler? What is there? What's in here? Yeah, eliminators right there. Copper and quick wire. Copper sheets to quick wire. Wait, what's the output of copper sheets? Okay. This needs, wow, 100 quick wire per minute. 25 copper sheets. 10 per minute. Harder quick wire. What is this quick wire? Quick wire. This produces 60 per minute. This needs 100? $90, 120, 150. Okay. I don't think we're gonna do a turbo. $60 yeah, we need 200. Let's see, because 60 plus 60 equals 120 plus, what does it need for the computer? I mean, we're probably just gonna have to output just ridiculous amounts of quick wire. 52 only. Surprisingly not that much. Actually, wait. Hold on, let's do that again here. Real quick. That, and let's turbo it a bit. Okay. 5.62. 7.5 at 105 quick wire. 7.5 computers per minute. We're gonna need like a lot of quick wire. Anyways, so it's basically 4 quick wire producing machines, 4 of these, 2 of these. Yeah, 2 6. Okay. I think I get it. And 25, so we need 5 of these. Alright, well, I guess without further ado, let's start getting set up. So we need 5 of the copper sheet things to make 50 copper sheets. Actually, wait, this is on the wrong side. 5 of those for copper sheets, eh? That's a lot. materials. Well, fix it walls. Station. Yep. You know what? There we go. And, okay. And then we do another one of these. I think that'll kind of work out nicer. Especially if I need to do like in between split level stuff. Do 10. And half foundations. We can add some splitters. You need to just use that splitter, honestly, these two. Okay, production. So we need 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're outputting nothing but copper sheets. That's not what I wanted. Okay, 5 copper sheets on producing. And we need 4 of these for quick wire. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your splitter. Throw over 3. Frost. There we go. Oop. These don't have cookwire. It should be nice if I could make cookwire kilos, because I feel like it takes so little cater room. Okay, and now we just need to get this going. And now it's now my train's actually just dropping off materials. Organization. No, cannot conveyors, but a conveyor mergers. BGM merger like conveyors coming out of here. What is that? I'll be doing like weird merry-go-round things now. Please, and thank you. Stop that. What are you doing? Stop that. Okay. Should be all set up now. Power pole Mark II. I said 5, right? Yeah. There we go. Those are producing copper sheets, and those are producing quick wire, and it should all be getting sorted. The merger, right? Yeah. Probably something I should have been doing. Logistics, organization. Probably should have set up an industrial storage at the end here. That way the materials get, you know, pulled out. But something else we can do is set up a little, like, merry-go-round thingy so it gets backfed. Yeah, so now it gets backfed back into there. So if we just connect this up to here, it'll store some of them in here, but it'll also backfeed it that way, so these are getting organized. And it's actually, like, running much of the stuff actually through it like it should be. Yes, this is a smart thing to do. I hear a lot of cats. I think I see a cat over there. Yep, there we go. So now it's backfeeding, so it goes through the machines, but also as the train brings stuff in, it should be distributing it as well. We just need to upgrade this to tier 4 so it's playing out a little bit faster. Yeah, because it's getting backlogged here. Okay. Now that we have that, do a little bit more wall building. I think put the, I think those are AI limiters. Basically putting the AI limiter factory together. There we go. So at least the copper and stuff is being dropped off. I'll have to figure out steel next. And I remember that I gotta export. I don't think it's every material. What do we need for all the electronics and, like, final, a lot of the final building. We need high-speed connectors, which needs caterham and cable. Cable mostly. We just need to export like a ton of cable. Okay. So yeah, we don't need to export any wire. That's fine. We don't need to export any copper sheets. Yeah, we just need to export the cable and AI limiters. That'll be more or less most of what this factory's operations are going to be. Okay, so I think we want to run that maybe down this way. Use logistics, mergers. Yeah, that way. Strange. I mean, we can make do with this though. And about there. Foundation. Yep. I'm out of concrete. Oh boy, I gotta find some limestone, which shouldn't be hard to find. Actually, wait a second. Isn't there limestone right down here? Is there any limestone near any of my other factories? No. I gotta grab from like that one down there. And have it produce cement for me. You know what? I need to take these middle lines and have them probably just awesome sink dump. So that they don't get clogged up. Yeah, that'll probably be the way to do it. Awesome sink. Let's put one up here. Materials concrete. Oh, okay. I can get back some of my materials. Yeah, like that. And yeah, everything else comes through the middle here. Oh, I didn't. No, you shouldn't be like that. Is there a filter I can apply to where it's any undefined? Okay, maybe that's it. Any undefined, yeah. So if it's not copper and it's not cadmium, then it flows through here, which will get recycled. Yeah, has to flow pretty far there. Oh, one more. One more. There we go. So yeah, this will be the purging system. So if there is anything else that is not supposed to be part of these this factory side, it gets purged, literally, into the awesome sink. Like that. There we go. Oh, nice. Perfect. Squeezes right in between there. Yeah, see? Like that. So if we get anything weird that shouldn't be part of the system, it gets purged. Okay, so we do probably want a few more quick wire producing things. I'm just gonna think. I think I'm just gonna throw probably. That is facing the wrong direction. I'm just gonna throw two more kind of on the end here. I think that would be probably good enough for quick wire. Okay. Alright. So this is produce quick wire, and this also produce quick wire. Logistics, we need a merger. Yeah, we'll producing. Plenty of quick wire, and we need to get some my cased stuff producing as well. Okay, so there we go. Oop, besides power, we need power. Pretty full. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. So, any... I guess I need a... Nah... Oh, actually I know how to design the overflow manager. Basically will literally just be whatever doesn't go into the two assemblers here is overflow. So we want assembler right there. And that one can't go right there. Dang it. I do need concrete. I do need concrete right now. Okay. Do I have any more of the drill things on me? I do not. Let's make real quick and dirty concrete manufactory, shall we? Okay. There's lots of other mailing. Yeah, and that steel one right there is going to need an even bigger filter system. Okay, minor mark 1 then. I don't have materials for anything. You know what? You know what? You know what would be easier and faster and just take away a lot of the pain? How about like actually going back home real quick and just picking up more materials? We have quite the fast rate here. Going back home real fast shouldn't be too much of a problem, as long as I don't overdo it. Sit back home, grab more encased industrial beam, grab more concrete, grab more. I need some reinforced stuff too, which I think I threw in my big vehicle, but might be still some producing here. We'll just zip right back to base here, and it shouldn't take very much time at all. Be fine. I might need to pop another sore throat lozenge here in a bit. Don't want to overdose on them, but I don't think that first sore throat lozenge fully did all took care of everything that it needed to. Okay, there's you know what, even more. There we go. Iron bars, we still have quite a bit, but let's top off. Screws, I know we have screws around. Reinforced plates. I mean, just grab a little more. Rotors, we have plenty of rotors, but we can always just top off. Wire. Pretty good on the wire. Cables. Pretty good on cables, I think. It looks like we're using quite a bit still. Copper sheet, we have plenty, so fine. Steel beams. run low finally. Let's top that off too. Okay. Steel pipe. I think we're still good on steel pipe. Good. Case beam, we need a ton of this stuff. Why do I have ingots in my inventory? Well, actually, I know why I have ingots in my inventory, but we need to get rid of those. There we go. More inventory slots to mess with. Yay! I'm just gonna grab more encased. We need, so you know what? We probably don't need as much steel anymore. So we can do more tier 4 conveyor stuff. Yeah. We have like 6 concrete. Let's just stack that up there. Go. Put some of that away. Sure, I'll put it away. Some motors and some rotors. Alright, let's go grab some more encased industrial beam. Here we go. Yeah, it's good enough. Got more or less everything we need. I don't think we're producing any reinforced stuff. This moment in time. Don't have anything in here. Alright, needs encased industrial beam for more of that. Be auto producing. It also needs more steel pipe. There. Some of that stuff producing. We'll grab some more real quick. Okay, there we go. Yep, okay. A little bit more of this as well. Okay, now we're good. Alright, let's head back. Yeah, coming out here and just grabbing the more materials I need is a heck of a lot faster. Why did I go this way? Like, not the way to go. Oop, smacked the nib. Tripped up the big guy. Oh man, streams this week might be shorter. About an hour in, I'm already kind of feeling a little bit of like an energy slump. Just kind of feel my body just going, yeah. Slow power off or robot just on his final like bits of battery. Just kind of that slow power down. Oh well. I haven't really been like super sick besides that like headache I had last week, but like definitely enough to affect the body. Kind of just slow it down. Alright. We are back. We can get to everything we wanted to get to now. Which includes logistics, upgrades to tier 4. Let's go. The random. Oh, there's random crates now hidden in here. Great, awesome. Yeah, let's go drop some stuff off in our vehicle, I guess. Because my inventory is now too full to be able to pick up whatever is in those crates. Get just some steel beam stuff. Yeah. A crate thing somewhere. Where are the other crates at? Oh, there's one. Dismantle crate. Oh, there's another one. Man, that created kind of a mess. Dismantle crate. Where is this one? It's like right here on this side. Oh, there it is. Those ones are far away. Oh. Dismantle crate. There's one over here. Yeah, it's right here. Is it in the tracks or it's underneath? I have a feeling it's more underneath. Yep, there it is. There, she's sitting. It's like prize loot. Don't even have room for everything. There we go. And one last one. I think I'll just... Why are you angry? You spicy little being, you. And your friend comes over. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, buddy, you're trapped in the concrete. Oh, I'm so sorry you're trapped in the concrete, little buddy. Well, he took care of himself. Less problem for me to deal with. He just took care of himself. Oh, I put too thick a concrete foundation there. Guess the problem solved itself. A little bit more or less, of, unfortunately. Yeah. So I done that. Seems pretty good. Power, Mark II. I want something that's like right on the edge of there. Oh, well, Mark II right there. power to you. And from there, power to you. And power to you. There we go. Now we're back up online. Okay, production. We can do finally this stuff that we wanted to do. Yeah. Okay. Station. Let's merger any conveyor splitters. There we go. Whoop! I can't fly. There we go. Alright, so that goes off into that, and then this side can go down over here. And this will go off to get loaded into the train. As one of the materials that is required for the next station. I guess I almost need like a purging station. I don't know. We can figure it out as time goes on. Okay, so now we need to bring the copper over. Still in the way? Really? Weird that that's still in the way. Okay, so conveyor splitter. Actually, nope, that's a problem. See, that's not in the right pathway. Can we make that be the right pathway though? Like if we just did a little loop like that. Oh yeah, no problem. There we go. Limiter. Power. It's full. Got really angry at me there for a moment. Okay. Come on. Grab that and that. Alright. Sweet. These should be producing AI limiters now. 5 per minute. That's not like a whole lot. $7.5, 10, 12.5. Not wrong. 50, so I need to double my copper sheet output. And double my quickwire output. 400. Does 400 divide by 60? Question. Calculator. 400 divided by 60 equals... Nope, it does not divide equally by 60. What is 6 times 60 then? 360, okay. It'll be like 20. This... I still feel like it's feeding a Took it a bit. Took it a few seconds to realize. What was taking it so long to be like, oh, wait, I have enough material now. Is fine. Well, you know what? It would probably help things out if I got this to be tier 4. There we go. Now it's flooding upwards. I do think I need to double my copper sheet output though. Yep, there it goes. It's less of what the machine just had stocked into them. There's just a ton more quick wire than there is or cadmium than there is copper. Oh yeah, it's just ounces. Okay. I need like cadmium cable. I should figure this to mark 4. There we go. There we go. Now it should be really kicking out the cadmium. We need to kick out the cadmium so we can get feed to the copper. Yeah, there we go. Yep, see, now it's really kicking it out. Down. It's just so little cadmium. I might need to just throw whatever leftover cadmium into our awesome sink. Oh shoot, it's it's loading. Better not be in the way of that. Okay, are you done? Yeah, I brought in some more copper. Okay. Okay, so we need to upgrade all of this to tier 4 then. There we go. Be operating much quicker now about getting that cadmium out of there. Copper, all given to the various machines that need it. Alright, cool. Air merger. Belt. Yep, over there. There's that. Where's our cable going to? Oh, it's like going toward the middle here. Yep, comes right over top. Yeah, right about there should be good. There about Mark 3, back down. You know what? Yeah, but bring it central. I'm gonna do a cube barrier merger. Because now it's time to link up a lot of this. Oh, okay. I need to place this correctly. Helps if you see the lines. Okay, there's the cable. Here we go. Just 6, can go Mark 3. There we go. Go about Mark 3, bring this over. Bring that down. Alright, and I just need to probably do a thing where it's just a lot of conveyor belt mergers. There we go. What the? Did I not place like any of these correctly? Huh. That's weird. There we go. Logistics, mergers. Let's maybe space them out just a little bit. Kind of like that. Oh, I'm putting it on the output, not on the input side, too. Messing up so much. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Shouldn't have done that. These need to be full foundations. Oh no. There we go. This is 2 iron outputs. it's not completely lined up, but that's fair. Okay, conveyor belt Mark 3. There we go. First few items are getting loaded up for the, well, for the train station. Okay, I think over here. Walls. Go ahead and put the, put the filter up here. So, logistics. We need 2 smart splitters, right? Yeah, and then a merger on either side. Alright, just tear it back down these. Don't need that. Alright, let's smart splitter. Power pole's kind of in the way. Power line, you there, you here, you where do you need to go? Why do you want to connect there? There we go. Alright, we're back online. How much power are you consuming now? Good amount now. Yep, starting to drop off copper now. We just need this steel to get full. Might not be such a problem here, but maybe in the next area I might need like a overflow system. Okay, smart splitters now. I don't think I need too many of these. I need to come out either side. Mercury, that. Okay, what, okay, this one should be, yeah, probably just want 2 lines of iron ingots, honestly. Iron ingot, any undefined. Alright, that should... Probably should be doing this in the blue pit maker, honestly. Okay. So yeah, this is like a overflow thingy. So we want this one to come out into there. Not Mark 2, Mark 3. 3, more there. Okay. That defined. Logistics, yeah, industrial storage on each node here. Serve as basically a buffer. There we go. So yeah, now these should... Well, I guess I kind of screwed it up by how I did it. By disconnecting it. Oh, come on. Mark 3, come down. Okay, Mark 3, go up then. 3s off that side, off that side. Probably should have be upgrading everything to Mark 4. Is this? It should be connected. Oh. It's not actually defined on this one for ironing on this side. Ironing on this side, and then any undefined on that side. There we go. There we go. Oh, so you start loading up the ingots. Then it's time to build the next one up front here, probably quite a bit more. Yep, there we go. So, then we want merger on this side. And a good merger on that side. Alright, so now let's bring this out a little further. That should, let's see. We have sulfur and oop, that one's misaligned for some reason. So now we have, get it now. So this side over here should be probably raw quartz. Yeah, and then this one will be raw sulfur. Yep, and any undefined in the middle. Let's see. Where's my sulfur at? Okay, there we go. Sulfur. Nope, we're not quartz crystal, we want raw quartz. And then any undefined. Alright. R3. Alright, bring that around. Cool. And I guess, yeah, we just need one more. Actually, no, do we? No, we still need an, we still need an awesome sink. Just to kind of grind off whatever extra materials there are. Logistics, merger. There, that one comes there. And this comes around and into there. So now there should only be... It's not full yet? Oh, they're not full yet. Oh, that's not even tier 4. We'll be throwing quartz and stuff in here as well. Get that processing into some materials. Like the crystal oscillators. Alright, there we go. There's our filter right there. And the nice thing too is it's also dividing. So we can take half of that and produce it into the other materials that we need. Okay, explosives. What's a half wall? No. Wait, why is that off? That's weird. I don't know how it got off. Oh yeah, it's like all off. Huh. Something weird has happened. I don't understand what. Okay, let's make this look pretty now with like, no, probably not that, but the smaller pillar upgrades. There we go. Now to fix the ground. And more or less supporting all this madness. Here we go. Oh, it's actually supported. Or it's supposed to look like it's supported. Cool. honestly don't know how this got off in like alignment. That is so weird. It's like every bit of it is like off weirdly. There we go. I'll have to crack a hole somewhere in order to get down to the filtering system. But hey, we have it. Oh, when that's taken over, it's taken over, eh? Through here we'll squirrel power through. It's only a wall. Oh, okay, it's only a wall outlet, so I placed on walls. There we go. We could place some lights down here. I think are in someplace weird. Organization? Yeah, they're in organization. Ooh, that's a big light. It's gonna be blindingly bright down here. Ain't gonna need much light, that's for sure. Okay, maybe we are gonna need more light, but like, still though. Logistics? No, organization. A floodlight. Come around here and then point it this direction. What angle is that? Okay, so that's straight down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, 1, 2, maybe about 10. Would be good. There we go. Add a little light to the subject. Sweet. Okay, if we do some more street lights maybe along here. 1, 2. Kind of distribute some power off to the side here. There we go. Kind of fancy stuff up around here, doesn't it? Let's see, logistics, inspection, oh, organization for some reason. That part kind of messes me up. Where does all this light come from? Oh, because of the train light, that's why. Yep. Perfect, look at that. How is our whole base here looking a little ways away? Yep, looking kind of more like an actual industrial manufactory. is what we need. Speaking of that, I need limestone and I need coal. They both funnel their way up top. I'm 20 limestone per minute. I think we only just need a Mark II conveyor. Yep. Monster is sensing something. Knows I am up to some no good shenanigans. You know what? It's probably right. Let's see here. There we go. Try and bring this over. Nice. Oop. Okay. Oh, I have limestone. Now over here for producing into concrete. I just need to get coal going up here. Oh, we get... Okay, so which ones are what now? Normal? Wait, no. We can look at this at the map. We can look at this at the map. Oop. Not iron. I need coal. Normal. 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 What's that normal? Oh, I thought one was like pure or something like that. Maybe it's just the oil over here. Or something over there is pure. Case yeah. Oh, mine it. Alright. Well, let's use the one on the back, honestly. I hear you. Excuse me, good sir. I'm 20. Excuse me, good sir. Pull this over this way. Oh, it doesn't really doesn't like that quartz being right there. Why are your quartz of all things? Okay, so we need to bring this coal over. I think honestly we're gonna do that next time. I'm kind of slumping a bit here. But he's telling me that it's already dead juice. But hey, we got something going. We got copper going. We need to just get all the iron stuff going. Be good, and yeah, just build this out into a big manufacturing area. Oh my goodness, there's so many cats. Get me out of here. Okay, you stay up there. Lots of spicy kitties up there. I'm gonna go up here where it's safe. Far away from those cats. Yeah, yeah, I think I'll end off there. Hope you enjoyed, and I guess I'll see you all again next time. Sorry it's not a longer stream, but do what I can. Anyways, take care, and yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day / evening, depending on where in the world. Bye-bye.